Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, get ready for a flavor explosion because we're diving into the world of Blue Diamond Almonds Spicy Dill Pickle. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with what can only be described as the best pickles ever. Now, when you think of pickles, you might envision the classic cucumber variety. But Blue Diamond has taken that concept and elevated it to a whole new level with their spicy dill pickle flavored almonds. Let's break it down. These almonds are coated in a mouth-watering blend of dill, vinegar, and just the right amount of spice. Don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about these almonds. One reviewer, Dawn Marie, described them as a flavorful fiesta for your taste buds, capturing the essence of Mexican street corn with every bite. Nancy B. from the United States couldn't get enough, stating, "These almonds are real good with just a taste of spiciness to them." What sets these almonds apart is not only their bold flavor but also their convenience. Packaged in a resealable canister, you can enjoy these flavor-packed snacks on the go or share them with friends and family without worrying about freshness. Plus, with the versatility of almonds, you're not only getting a delicious snack but also a nutritious one. Almonds are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a smart choice for any snack time. So, whether you're craving a bold and tangy snack or looking to spice up your usual routine, Blue Diamond Almonds Spicy Dill Pickle is the ultimate choice. With rave reviews and unbeatable flavor, it's no wonder these are hailed as the best pickles ever. That's all for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy snacking!